Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Hope you all are doing good at home, children. But I also know that you are feeling bored without coming to school, isn't it? Yes. So your Farid teacher is here taking up social studies under the topic solar system. Okay. So now when I say solar system, I need to ask you all a question. Where do we live? We live on earth. Yes. When I say earth, the question is, what is earth? You might be telling that the land or the part of land where we live is earth. But that's not the fact. Earth is a spherical heavenly body that revolves around the sun. It's a spherical heavenly body that revolves around the sun, and it is a part of sun's family. Okay, so in order to learn more about sun, earth, the solar system, I have planned a tour for you all. Would you like to join me? Come along with me. First of all, let us learn about the sun's family. Sun's family is nothing but solar system. Now, what is sun? My dear children, do you know sun is nothing but a star? Yes, sun is a star, a huge ball of fire which is larger than the earth. But it looks very small because sun is very far from earth. As you all know, we get heat and light from sun. But apart from that, there is one more interesting thing which we will learn today. That is cause of day and night. Now, if I ask you how day and night is caused, undoubtedly you all will answer that the sun moves from one direction to another. And we have day and night. But it's not true. Sun does not move. It is earth which moves around the sun. When the part of earth where we live faces the sun, it is day, and when the part of earth where we live moves away from sun, it is dark and night. Therefore, spinning of earth causes day and night. As I said earlier that the earth is a heavenly body, we have 7 more heavenly bodies along with earth, which makes the total of 8 heavenly bodies that revolve around the sun. Children, it's not only earth that rotates and revolves around the sun, whereas all the 8 heavenly bodies rotate and revolve around the sun. These heavenly bodies are known as planets, and they are the part of sun's family or the solar system. Thus, the 8 planets and the sun makes up a solar system. Okay? So when anybody asks you what is solar system, you have to say the sun's family is called as solar system. The 8 planets and the sun is called as solar system. Okay. Now when I say planets, let me tell you what are planets. Planets are called as wanderers. You know, wanderers means moving here and there. But wanderers here doesn't mean that they have to move here and there. Here planets do not move here and there. They have their own fixed path. They have their own fixed route. They have to move in their own orbit. They have to move in their own path. Okay? This fixed path is called as orbit. So, the fixed path in which the planets revolve around the sun is called as orbit. Now let us learn about the planets. Planets do not have light of their own. They reflect light from the sun. As you can see, the planet named Mercury is very close to the Sun, and it is the hottest planet. No life can exist there. Next one is Venus, which is also very hot and has no life there, and is known as brightest planet. Our Earth is the third planet and is called a special planet. You all might be thinking, why is Earth a special planet? It is because it has all the basic essentials which a living being needs for survival. That is, it has air, water, and food. Also, it is neither too cold nor too hot. The planets after Earth are too cold for the living being to exist. We would even freeze on Mars. Mars is the next planet and is called the red planet as it looks reddish in color. Next comes Jupiter, the largest planet. The sixth planet from Sun is Saturn, which has rings around it and is said to be the beautiful planet. Then comes Uranus and Neptune. Uranus has rings but very hard to see, and Neptune looks bluish in color. Children, I have a phrase which you can use for remembering the order of planets. That is, my very energetic mother just served us noodles. See, Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune. These are the 8 planets. I hope you all will remember these 8 planets. Children, there are smaller heavenly bodies that revolve around the planets. These are called satellites. Our solar system is in the Milky Way galaxy, and there are many such galaxies in the universe. A question for you all is, why don't we feel the revolution of Earth? Okay, so children, we will recapitulate whatever we had learned today. Firstly, it is Earth. What is Earth? Earth is a round or a spherical heavenly body that revolves around the Sun. Okay, so then we also learned that Earth is a special planet because it has all the basic necessary things which the living being wants for its existence. Okay, then we learned about solar system. Sun's family is called solar system, and we have 8 planets and the Sun in its family. Then we learned about Sun. Sun is nothing but a star. It is a huge ball of fire, and from which we get heat and light. And also we have occurrence of day and night. How the day and night is caused? The spinning of Earth causes day and night. We learned this. Okay, and then we learned about planets. Planets are called as wanderers, but they have their own fixed path which is called as orbit. Okay, they have their own fixed path which is called as orbit. And then we learnt about galaxy. Galaxy is nothing but many stars and their solar system makes up a galaxy, and our solar system is in Milky Way galaxy. Okay, so children, I want you all to write these 5 words 5 times in your notebook, in your social notebook. Okay, these 5 words I want you all to write 5 times. Okay, so that's all for today. Jazakumullahu khaira. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.